Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to book a car on the Ethiopian Airline application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. And then scroll down and tap on book a car. After that, click on accept. Down below, scroll down and tap on either car hire or transfers. Here you should select a pickup location. You should select the pickup date and the drop-off date. Then you should select the driver's age and click on the search button down below to select from the available options. Here you can find the options, so tap on a relevant one that you find interesting, and after that you can check out what's included, the supplier and the ratings. If you would like to book it, tap on the button continue down below, and here you should select the package. Then you should add your email address, then select the or add the driver details, select the method of payment, and you will be able to book your car. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.